Hey everyone, today I am here with the unboxing of the women's trip Espadrille. So if you follow my channel, you may recall that I have previously done an unboxing of the trip Espadrille. It was a men's version, and that was in calfskin. And this time around, I'm going to be unboxing the women's version in suede. And we decided to get this because it's such a cozy style and looks really cool. So let's get right to it. Take out the paper so we can see inside. And here it is. So immediately you'll notice the vibrant green yellow color. This is called Jaune Citron, great color for the summer. And as I mentioned, the material is suede, so nice and soft. Obviously you want to be careful about getting it wet, but you're really comfortable. As is normal with espadrilles, we have a rope bottom, and we have a soft bottom as well. So they are made in Spain, as are most espadrilles, and the sizes are definitely true to size. My wife is a size 37, and the size 37 fits very well. On the inside, you'll see that the matching heel rest is also in Jaune Citron, and we have a rope bottom in there as well. So online, the women's only come in the suede calfskin. However, the men's come in the suede as well as leather or calfskin, and also canvas as well. So some more options for the men's version. Again, looks pretty much identical, just the cut and the sizing is different between the men's and the women's. So really great summer shoe, nice and breathable, a little bit flexible as well, which is useful if your feet expand due to the warm summer weather. And we're looking forward to using it this summer. In the US, as of June 2021, these trip espadrilles retail for $630. The men's is also similar, although depending on your choice of calfskin, suede, or canvas, the price will vary by about $100, $120 or so. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll see you next time.